Transform your kitchen into a fresh and lively green space with beautiful plants. These plants not only add natural beauty but also make the kitchen feel vibrant and relaxing. From elegant leafy plants to charming blooms, they brighten shelves, windows, and counters while thriving in indoor conditions, making your cooking space more refreshing, stylish, and full of life every day. Let's get started with Pothos Epipremnum aureum is one of the most popular and easiest indoor plants, perfect for kitchens. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped green leaves, often variegated with yellow or cream, add a fresh and vibrant look to shelves, windows, or hanging baskets. This hardy plant thrives in low to bright indirect light and requires minimal care, making it ideal for busy homes. Pothos also tolerates irregular watering and adapts well to indoor conditions. Its cascading growth creates a beautiful decorative effect, bringing natural charm and a calming green touch to the kitchen space while making the area feel lively, stylish, and welcoming. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is a charming and easy-to-grow indoor plant, perfect for brightening up kitchen spaces. It features long, arching green leaves with attractive white stripes that create a graceful, fountain-like appearance. Spider plants also produce small baby plants, called spiderets, that hang beautifully from the mother plant. They thrive in bright, indirect light and require only moderate watering, making them ideal for busy households. This plant grows well in hanging baskets, shelves, or near kitchen windows. Its lively foliage adds freshness and a decorative touch, making the kitchen feel greener, brighter, and more inviting every day. Begonia, Begonia rex, is a stunning foliage plant admired for its colorful and artistic leaves. The large, textured leaves display beautiful patterns in shades of green, silver, purple, red, and pink, making it a striking decorative plant for kitchens. Rex begonia prefers bright, indirect light and slightly moist soil to thrive indoors. Its bold foliage instantly adds elegance and vibrancy to shelves, countertops, or windowsills. Though mainly grown for its dramatic leaves, it occasionally produces small delicate flowers. With its unique patterns and rich colors, begonia brings a stylish, lively, and eye-catching touch to the kitchen environment. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum, is a beautiful and versatile foliage plant that grows well indoors, making it a great choice for kitchens. Its distinctive arrow-shaped leaves come in shades of green, cream, and sometimes pink, creating a fresh and decorative look. As the plant matures, it can develop a trailing or climbing habit, perfect for shelves or small trellises. Arrowhead plants thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer slightly moist soil. They are easy to care for and adapt well to indoor conditions. With its graceful foliage and lush growth, this plant adds a vibrant, refreshing touch to any kitchen space. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum vallesi, is an elegant indoor plant known for its glossy dark green leaves and graceful white flowers. The beautiful white blooms rise above the foliage, giving the plant a calm and sophisticated appearance. It grows well in low to bright indirect light and prefers slightly moist soil. Peace lily is easy to maintain, making it perfect for kitchen shelves or countertops. Its lush foliage and delicate flowers bring a fresh, peaceful, and stylish touch to the kitchen environment, creating a bright and welcoming space while adding natural beauty to indoor decor. African violet, St. Paulia ionantha, is loved for its delicate clusters of colorful blooms and soft, velvety foliage. The flowers appear in beautiful shades such as purple, pink, blue, and white, creating a cheerful display in small spaces. Its compact size makes it perfect for decorating kitchen counters, shelves, or window corners. The plant has a neat russet growth pattern that looks tidy and ornamental. When in bloom, African violet becomes a bright focal point that instantly adds charm and elegance, bringing a gentle touch of color and beauty to everyday indoor surroundings. Anthurium, Anthurium andrinum, is a striking ornamental plant admired for its glossy green leaves and vibrant, heart-shaped flowers. The waxy blooms, often seen in shades of red, pink, or white, create a bold and elegant display. Its long-lasting flowers can remain attractive for weeks, making it a popular decorative plant for indoor spaces. The smooth, shiny foliage beautifully contrasts with the colorful spathes, giving the plant a modern and stylish look. With its bright, exotic appearance, Anthurium adds a lively splash of color and sophistication, instantly enhancing the beauty and charm of any kitchen corner. Nerve plant, Fittonia albivenis, is a small but eye-catching foliage plant known for its beautifully patterned leaves. The delicate veins running across the leaves appear in bright shades of white, pink, or red, creating a striking contrast against the deep green background. Its compact, spreading growth makes it perfect for tabletops, small pots, or decorative planters. The intricate leaf patterns give the plant a unique, almost artistic look. With its colorful foliage and charming appearance, nerve plant adds texture, vibrancy, and a lively decorative touch to indoor spaces, making even a small corner look fresh and attractive. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is a sleek and modern foliage plant known for its thick, glossy leaves that grow along upright stems. The deep green leaflets have a smooth, polished appearance that gives the plant a bold and elegant look. Its structured growth form makes it a perfect decorative plant for countertops, shelves, or corners. The shiny foliage reflects light beautifully, adding a fresh and stylish vibe to indoor spaces. With its strong architectural shape and rich green color, the ZZ plant brings a clean, contemporary touch that enhances the visual appeal of any kitchen setting. Peperomia, Peperomia obtusifolia, is a charming compact plant admired for its thick, glossy, oval-shaped leaves. The foliage appears lush and vibrant, often displaying rich green tones or attractive creamy variegation. Its neat and bushy growth gives the plant a tidy, decorative look that fits beautifully on small shelves, countertops, or windowsills. The smooth leaves have a slightly succulent texture, adding an interesting visual appeal. With its elegant foliage and compact form, Peperomia brings a fresh, stylish touch of greenery that enhances the beauty of small indoor spaces and creates a calm, pleasant atmosphere. Snake plant, Dracena trifasciata, is a bold and architectural plant known for its tall, upright leaves marked with striking green patterns and yellow edges. The sword-shaped foliage grows vertically, creating a strong and modern look that stands out in any space. Its clean lines and sculptural form make it a popular decorative choice for contemporary interiors. The plant's sturdy leaves add height and structure to indoor arrangements. With its dramatic appearance and deep green tones, snake plant brings a stylish, sophisticated touch that enhances the overall beauty of a kitchen corner or indoor setting.